I'm sorry, can you redo that? My name is Michael, and I'm a customer of Steel Country LLC, and I want to tell you that I am very impressed with the services we have received from Steel Country. From start to finish, they have walked us through every step of getting our roof replaced, dealing with our insurance company, helping fight for us when the insurance company's like, no, we're not going to cover you. And they were just very supportive. They every step they were positive. It's okay. It's going to take time. It's dragging out. We're not worried. And at no point was Steel Country ever worried about helping us through the process, because they know the process. They deal with the people that we don't deal with. So we kind of get bullied by these other people. In Steel Country, they stood up for us. They helped us get our roof replaced. They use premium products. I mean, they go through a lot of classes and courses on what's best, especially for the roofs down here in the valley. The heat down here, it's a lot. So they talked to me about my ventilation and everything. They've walked through all these steps, and I'm just very grateful on the whole process was actually, it was a lot easier than it could have been. I am the owner of Hot Rods Family Kitchen LLC. We're, as far as I know, we are the only alien themed restaurant here in the state of Texas, and we are located at 2805 East Main Street in Alton at Cayo Cinco Food Truck Park. We do gourmet burgers, gourmet hot dogs, and Cajun food. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. As well as get our roof replaced. I'm sorry, can you redo that?
Oh, 3, 2, 1, good.
My name is Michael, and I'm a customer of, what's the name?
3, Steel Country.
Steel Country, yeah. I had to, look, man, it got me on the spot, dadgummit. I'm not an actor. I'm not Steel Country.
Listen, take 2.
I just,
55. He said I'm not going to edit
first, right?
the bloopers.
Like the blooper section. So,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, Steel Country LLC, take 3, go.